how to cancel an order in GrabFood. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can cancel an order in GrabFood by following some steps. It is very easy, you just need to follow some steps, so make sure to watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like you to hit that like, share, and subscribe option. So let's begin. So the very first thing is you need to open your GrabFood app and you will be able to see this kind of interface. So what you're gonna do is just scroll down a bit and order one of the food that you may like. You may see a bunch of options. You may just choose any of the food that you may like. So here, let me choose this Burger King restaurant first of all and wait for it to load. Then here, I'm gonna choose one of the orders. Let me just add this another rendang spicy chicken king. Just tap on this plus icon and you may just tap on plus on how many items you want. I'm just gonna tap on one for now and tap on this add to basket. After that, you will be able to see on the very below the basket option. Just tap on it and there you go. And you need to place an order. After placing the order, you will be able to see this processing option. So in order to cancel it, just tap on cancel. And your order will be canceled. Before the timer goes out, you can just tap on cancel and your order won't be placed. But even if your order gets placed, you may just tap on the order. Go to activity and view on history. After that, just cancel. Like you will be able to see the activity history, and here on the food, just tap on the food that you just ordered and then tap on cancel here, and that should do. If you want to reorder it, just tap on contact Grab or any of the restaurants and they will be able to place your order again. So in that way, you can cancel your order on GrabFood by very easily following the steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.